The state's Attorney General's office and a local organization are teaming up to help human trafficking victims. News 13's Marilyn Upchurch is here with more on their plan.
The AG's office and the New Mexico Dream Center created a new app, allowing those who are helping victims connect to resources.
Yeah, human trafficking not only affects New Mexico, but when it does affect individuals, it's devastating, right? It's individuals who are coerced into doing things that they don't want to do for someone else's profit or gain.
The Attorney General's office says human trafficking is a problem in our state, and that's why they created a new app called Reach with the help of New Mexico Dream Center, a nonprofit that provides trafficking victims the services they need.
Certainly victims can look at it, but I think it's really geared to help people that are trying to connect victims to services that they need.
Law enforcement officers, service providers, victims, and the general public around the state can turn to the app for resources. On the app, they can find help for drug treatments, housing, mental health support, and more to help victims break the cycle.
We resource mapped the entire state of New Mexico, county by county. And in that mapping, we were looking for agencies that served vulnerable populations, people who had survived abuse, sexual assault, and then specifically looking for youth service providers.
Those who visit the web app can look at a mile radius, which will show services near them. NMDC says this will help bridge a gap, providing better knowledge on what help victims can receive.
One of the issues when you're working with somebody who has survived human trafficking or is currently involved in a human trafficking situation is they don't usually realize that they are even a victim of a crime. And so it's not likely that they would look for services particularly in that fashion, but those who are able to identify them and want to reach out and offer services, this is a great tool.
The app was created with the help of a grant awarded by the Office for Victims of Crime, Office of Justice Programs, and U.S. Department of Justice. Madison, back to you.
Thanks, Marilyn. According to NMDC, in 2022, there were an estimated 500 human trafficking victims served between all service providers in New Mexico. Organizers hope the app will grow and discover more providers in the state. To take a look at the new app located on the AG's website, you can visit KRQE.com.